Number 4 exercise using Chartwizard. So enter the same data on your worksheet and enter this formula G6 to G10. Change the format of the percent label on cell to percentage. Enter this formula in cell J16 to compute the total of the frequency. Enter the following formula for K6 to K15 to compute for the percentage. Format this percentage first so that the data that will come out will have that percent sign. So after that, highlight the cells that you will make for that you will be needed in order to create a chart. So male female data, then click chart, and then make a bar graph. Change the title of the graph to gender. Do the same to questions number 3 and number 2. Highlight the create the chart, change the title to frequency, then change the title to marital status. Marital status. Show the data labels, then lastly save the file.